What are the best business units and verticals in TCS? Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, that is AirTech. Hope you all are having a fantastic day. Let us begin with our today's video. So our today's video is going to be important because we are going to discuss what are the best growth and best projects in different units in TCS. So without wasting any more time, let us move forward. We will discuss about all these 7 units that we have mentioned on the screen. We will try to cover each and every point. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end and try to understand, because this is going to be a long video. The first thing that I want you to do is please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have not done that, and don't forget to share this video with all of your friends. Let me just quickly turn on the pointer so that it will be easier for me to explain. So here is the client's contribution. So TCS is having roughly in the financial year 2025, okay, of quarter 4, they are having around 1300 1 million plus clients, and they have 6400 million plus clients. Okay, so this is the total revenues that is given, okay, per year. Now if you go ahead, okay, and if you look at the geography, this is again very important because the majority of the revenue is coming from North America, or the Americas as they call it. Okay, from North America it is contributing 48.2%, from Latin America around 2%, from Europe is again good, okay, continental Europe and UK. From UK alone it is 16.8%, and continental Europe is 14.3%, whereas from Asia Pacific it is around 8.0%, from India is 8.6, and others is 2.2. So altogether the highest contributor is Americas, and second is the Europe, and then the Asia Pacific. Now the next important point is what are the different verticals in TCS. Okay, the number one is BFSI. Okay, so it contributes to around 30 to 31% of the total revenue. Okay, second is consumer business, it is around 15 to 16%. The life sciences and healthcare is again one important business unit at TCS, which contributes around 11%. Manufacturing and technology services are the third and fourth respectively, around 8 or 9% each. Communication media is growing sector in TCS, because right now a lot of companies are focusing more, and companies are outsourcing all of these medias and communication, because these big IT companies, they are having strong AI and foundation in these particular areas. So it is around like 6.6%, or even 8 up to 8% it might go. Okay, so next is energy resource and utilities, which is around again 5 to 6%, and regional markets and others are around 12.9% respectively. Okay, so you might have got a clear idea that BFSI, consumer, life sciences and manufacturing, these are the major contributors for the revenues and profits. Okay, now let us quickly discuss, as I've already mentioned, that these are the core areas. Okay, 6 major units or heads. So we will try to cover all of them in this video. If not, then I will create a second video also covering other topics. Okay, the first important thing again that I want to highlight, this is definitely not the first one, but yeah, so these are the products and platforms that TCS provides to all the customers. The banks, which is one of the most used platform for banking, financial services companies and insurance companies also. So TCS Ion is again a learning platform available for educational institutions. Ignio is again cognitive automation software for enterprise IT and business solutions like ERP softwares and other things. TCS Ad is again for drugs and clinical trials for pharmaceutical companies, healthcare companies, right? TCS Hobbs is again a plug and play business platform for subscription based services, like you might have seen Disney Plus Hotstar or other companies, right? Geo Hotstar, right now it is called as. Then again your Geo TV, Airtel Extreme, other things. Okay, TCS TwinX is again AI powered thing. Okay, if you get into project like these, this is again good thing for your resume also, because you'll be working directly with the latest AI tech that is present in the industry. So AI powered system to help stimulate and optimize enterprise decisions. So whichever are enterprise based companies, it will help them with all the data that they have, and they will be able to get the correct decisions. So you again have some other products also, like Optumera is there. You have Omni Store, which is again used by retailers like Chroma. It is implemented already with Walmart also and other platforms. So Mastercraft again for digital platform to automate everything. Giant is again for DevOps platform to accelerate software development, and there are other platforms also. I don't want to bore you guys, but you should know that these are the products that are available in the catalog of TCS. Next thing is, let us discuss about the BFSI, which is one of the most important sector. So what are the clients of TCS? Okay, so you have Citibank, Lloyds Bank, UBS, HDFC Bank from India, Old Mutual Fund, which is again using TCS banks. You have ICICI Bank again. You have SBI Bank also, which is major of the work is done by TCS itself. Okay, then you have other clients also, like Prudential, PNC, Airtel banks. Commonwealth Bank of Australia, TE Connectivity, Central Bank of India, Avis Budget Group. Then you have Eaton mutual funds also, MUFG also, Bajaj Finserv also. So all these are having like 10,000 plus employees working under that bank. Okay. Now if you go and look at the TCS banks also, so Oracle Corporation, Investec, CIBC, Bank of America, NatWest, and other banks also, National Bank of Greece. So a lot of banks are using actually this product. And if you get into these products, definitely BFSI is a sector where you are working, if you're joining as a fresher, you are overburdened. Most of the people feel that they have to work a lot of time. Okay, they have to work 10 hours, 15 hours even per day, because the demand or the expectations from freshers or even experienced people is very high in the bank related project or the banking and financial services and insurance sectors. So that is the reason it becomes difficult for people to cope up when they are freshly coming out of college. And but definitely this is the best thing that you can have on your resume, because banking projects are very critical. They mostly use latest tech stack. The cyber security and all the practices are followed in all these companies. Authentication, authorization, like all these things. I mean, basically you can get to host a lot of things you can learn from this particular projects. There can be support projects also, Northern Trust or even UBS or even Credit Suisse. All these companies have the support projects also. But definitely it matters what you learn and what you invest. And because basically you have to invest your lot of time, right? So even if you're working, you have to learn a lot of things. So it becomes critical at that point of time. So if you're someone who is joining the banking and financial services, or if you have that caliber, if you want to work really hard, then banking financial services is the best sector for you. But one thing is that definitely after some time you will definitely get the results also. You might get a high paying salary also if you are good at BFSI domain. Okay, so the banking and financial services, they are known to offer a lot of high salaries. Okay, this is the first sector. Guys, I want you to please subscribe to our YouTube channel. I know that I'm pushing you a lot, but definitely a lot of people, almost 80% of the people, have not subscribed to our YouTube channel. I request you all to please subscribe, because it will mean a lot to us. We will keep on creating all these informative videos for all of you guys. Okay, next platform I would discuss is life sciences and healthcare, which is one of the biggest again. Okay, health sector, health companies, life sciences companies. There can be GSK, there can be Johnson and Johnson, Kaizen, Merck, Termuro. Okay, pharma sectors. Okay, top Indian pharma companies also, Sun Pharma and other companies also are having some of the other projects with TCS also. So it becomes very essential because on-site opportunities are very high in these cases. You might have to go and visit the actual company. There are EIS project also, engineering and industrial services projects are also there in this particular field. Okay, so there are a lot of scope and lot of opportunities. There are some TCS projects also, like products also, that can be implemented in these companies. And that is the reason the compliance and regulatory bodies and a lot of things basically. Okay, in pharmaceutical sector also you can get a lot of opportunities majorly. Okay, so there are a lot of AI things also that are being placed under this sector. A lot of resources are being trained and skilled on AI right now at TCS. The next platform is energy resources and utility. This is again one of the biggest contributing for the revenue. So Engine is there, Centrica is there, that is a business gas business, British gas business, sorry. Landis and Gyr is also there. Baker Hughes is there. Reliance is there. Adani is also there. Ajani Green is also there. Okay, so a lot of companies are actually getting or outsourcing all their IT and digital transformation with the help of TCS. Here also will be getting good opportunities. On-site opportunities are very high again. Middle East sector, a lot of clients from Middle East are again calling out people on-site, and that is a good thing. If you want to look for on-site opportunities, then this is also a good project or good business unit that you can go to. Okay. Next thing is about manufacturing and auto. Definitely, Tata Motors is one of the biggest clients. That is Jaguar Land Rover parent company. One of the biggest and long-standing partnership with this particular company. And Stellantis, that is now earlier was called as Chrysler. They are also having a lot of projects at TCS. Boeing, Lockheed Martin, General Electric is also one of the biggest contributors for the revenues of TCS. So again, this is a good project. If you again want to work on latest tech stack, if you are someone who is a C++ developer, Java developer, or even Python developers, then you have a lot of scope in AI, in MATLAB, Simulink, and a lot of other projects. Even if you are someone who is a design engineer or even like product engineer, then also you have a very good opportunity if you come from companies basically you are from a background of design, like you are using Pro E, Katia, or even your Creo or any other software for that matter, ANSYS, MVC, MSC, Adams. Okay, all these applications, if you're using, you can also go and opt for these kind of projects. Okay, next, I would not say last, but I would say this retail and consumer business again is again one of the biggest contributors. You have Unilever, Hindustan Unilever, not only in India but other Unilevers also in the UK. They have partnership with TCS for different projects. Walmart, which is one of the biggest contributors, or I would say one of the biggest contributors, if not the biggest, for TCS when it comes to revenues and profits. So they have a long time partnership providing IT solutions to this particular company. They have their own platforms also, OmniShare, that is being used by Chroma, Disney also, and there are other companies. PNG is also one of the consumer business that is taking help from TCS for the projects and transformation journeys. Okay. So I hope that this is also clear. Marks and Spencer is also one of the options. Morrison's is also supermarket is also one of the options. Target is one of the projects where they have. Okay, so a lot of companies basically, right? So you also will get to learn a lot if you are someone who is looking for technical as well as functional understanding, so that maybe you can start a business, or maybe you can go to a product based companies in the future like Walmart, Unilever, PNG. If you want to do your MBA, then these business, consumer business understanding, and are gathering the first functional requirement, why this business wants to do, or why this business is taking this decision to implement this particular application, whether it is a revenue generating or a non revenue generating application. So it helps a lot, even if you want to do your MBA, even if you want to go to a product based company after this company. So it matters a lot. Okay, I've been speaking a lot. Okay, so I'm going to again request you all to please subscribe to our YouTube channel, so that you don't miss on any dates that we have shared with you. Okay, also one more important thing, that we have recently created a video on this particular topic, that is like a debate kind of thing that was happening regarding no salary hike for employees versus the dividends that are given by the TCS company to the Tata Sons. Majorly 35,000 crore rupees is given as dividends to the Tata group. Okay, so you can go and watch that video. That video's link will be in the description box. Okay, with this I would like to end our today's video, because I think it is a long video. I will create the second part to this video if you tell us in the comment section to create it. Okay, so please comment, ask your questions, ask your queries, and I will also give the link in the description box to the Telegram group. You can go and join that group. Okay, thank you for watching this entire video. The second part will come soon. You just have to comment that please create a part 2 also. Thank you and have a great day.